and welcome to my YouTube channel, where every episode I take a physics topic and really try to explain it in a simple and understandable way. Now some episodes are just going to be fun physics facts, but most I'm going to try and tie in to the current school curriculum. So when that's the case, I'm going to put the key stage in the episode title. Today's fun physics fact episode is perhaps less fun and more spooky. I'm going to be discussing the theories that scientists have on how our universe is going to end. Yikes. The part we know for certain is how our world will come to its demise. In around 5 billion years or so, our sun will finish its red giant phase and explode in a planetary nebula. This explosion will engulf the closest planets to it, and as we're third from the sun, this means that Earth will be left as a lifeless, burnt rock. But remember guys, that's not for another 5 billion years, so we can relax for now. The end of the universe, however, we have much less of an idea. So far, I've covered episodes on the Big Bang, which is how our universe was created, redshift, how our universe is expanding, dark matter and normal matter, which comprise our universe, and dark energy, which is somehow counteracting gravity, resulting in the continued expansion of our universe. Well, our universe's fate depends on whether that expansion will continue, accelerate, or reverse.
Reverse.
Option number 1, the Big Crunch. This theory is essentially the reversal of the Big Bang. As explained in my redshift episode, the universe is expanding. But the Big Crunch dictates that if enough matter and dark matter build in the universe, then there will be enough gravity to slow this expansion down and eventually reverse it. So all matter has a gravity. Therefore, the more matter, the more gravity. So the more matter and dark matter that's created in the universe, the more gravity there'll be. Eventually, the combined gravitational pull of everything will be enough to stop the expansion and cause the universe to collapse inwards. Over time, the galaxies and the stars will crash into each other and kill off any life on the nearby planets in the process. Eventually, everything will contract and explode in one single point. And that would be the end of our universe, the Big Crunch. Option 2, the Big Freeze. This theory states that gravity will never overrule dark energy, and therefore our universe expansion will continue forever.
Forever, 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 forever.
It will never stop expanding, and this would be a really slow and painful way for the universe to end. So galaxies, stars and planets would get further and further apart. The dust and gas from dead stars would just disperse, so new stars can't form and galaxies would stop growing. The universe would reach its minimum temperature and basically freeze into darkness and death. That was cheery. Option number 3, the Big Rip. This theory depends on the rate of expansion of the universe increasing. If dark energy causes the expansion of the universe to increase in speed, which it currently is FYI, but increase even more than we expect it to, then the universe will end in the Big Rip. So as the universe expands and stretches, eventually everything would get so far apart that gravity wouldn't be able to hold the galaxies together. The stars would be ripped away from each other, and as a result, solar systems like ours just won't be held together anymore. All the remaining stars and planets would explode, ending with even atoms being ripped apart. Now that is a big rip. They're the 3 main theories, and the Big Freeze looks to be the most likely at the moment, just based on the data that we have on the universe expansion. But don't you worry too much, because we don't expect any of these theories to occur for another 200 billion years or so. Thank you for listening! I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to learn about other cool physics facts, then please like and subscribe and watch all of my other videos. And if you want to learn about a specific topic, please leave a comment below and I'll try to do a video for you.